Hello everyone, this is a Prime Audio series presented by Preview India. The Prime materials covers from different leading newspaper. Topic is upper hand, and the crux is the battle for Rajya Sabha control is crucial for the BJP to push its agenda without resistance. Now going to move in detail. The BJP won two consecutive majorities in the Lok Sabha but still stands short of one in the Rajya Sabha, but it is along with its partners making a gradual upward climb, though the halfway mark is still some distance away. A string of losses in state elections in recent years slowed down its pursuit, and there are more state polls in the near future that will influence its fortunes. The BJP is currently the single largest party in the Rajya Sabha with 75 members together with its allies including the nominated and independent members. The tally hovers around 102 in a house of 245. The Congress is perhaps at its lowest tally with 39 members. The Congress and its friendly parties count to 73, which includes left parties 6, TMC 13, SP 8, NCP 4, and 1 each of JDU and IUML and the Kerala Congress. These numbers are fluid as parties have hoped sides depending on issues. Another cohort of parties that largely favor the ruling dispensations include the Biju Janata Dal, Bahujan Samaj Party, TDP, and the TRS. On June 19, elections will take place for 24 Rajya Sabha seats, only part of existing vacancies across 10 states, and the ruling party appears to be on an overdrive to maximize its numbers. The lack of a majority in the Rajya Sabha was considered a hindrance for the BJP in the first term, particularly for economic reforms. The party devised a devious route to bypass the upper house in lawmaking by arbitrarily labeling bills as money bills that need approval only by the Lok Sabha. The constitutional validity of this balanced approach was challenged in the Supreme Court, where the case is now lingering. The BJP has managed to muster the number in the Rajya Sabha for controversial laws that advance its social and political agenda in its second term. Last July, the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill was passed despite opposition to some of the provisions from NDA alliance, the JDU and the AIADMK. The Triple Talaq Bill, as it is popularly known, sailed through as parties such as the BJP, BSP conventionally went missing during the vote. The government could also get the numbers to pass the Citizenship Amendment Bill. The BJP has been relentlessly chiseling away at the opposition ranks. Meanwhile, on August 5 last year, as the center moved the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act, Congress Chief Whip Bhuvneshwar Kalita was nowhere to be seen. He resigned and has since found his way back to the Rajya Sabha on the BJP ticket. The TDP lost 4 of its 6 members and Samajwadi Party 3 over the last year. The BJP also had a younger bench in the House of the Elders compared to the Congress. It is not that the lack of a majority has stopped the BJP from doing what it was determined to. Still, the party is leaving no stone unturned to win a majority for itself and partners. Thank you. With that, in these editions, we will keep updating you. Press the subscribe button and bell icon notifications for the latest news update. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.